Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how to upgrade your MacBook Air internal hard disk.
Let's go for disassembling. To disassembling MacBook Air, we have required some tools. One screwdriver is 1.2 to 1.5 mm, one T5 and one pair hand gloves. Now let's go for disassembling. Here as you can see, the rear side of a MacBook, lots of screws are there. First, remove all screw one by one. You can use 1.2 to 1.5 mm screwdriver. You can also purchase those tools from online store. Now open the rear cover, gently pull up the upper side. This one is hard disk and this one is battery connector. Before you doing anything, first remove the battery connector. Now open the hard disk screw by using T5 screwdriver. Now gently remove the hard disk. You can see this is the hard disk which was pre-installed in MacBook Air. The storage capacity of this hard disk is 128 GB and we are going to upgrade it up to 512 GB. Now this is the new hard disk and the hard disk memory capacity is 512 GB. You can see here is the mentioned. This is new hard disk and I'm going to install it in my Mac. Now after connect new hard disk, please fix it by T5 screw. And connect the battery connector. Before connecting battery connector, you make sure that hard disk has properly fitted with MacBook. Now let's turn on the Mac by clicking power button and let's see what's happened. You can see one folder icon appears on the screen with asking mark. As you know, it's a new hard disk, so there is no any OS or any programming. Now let's download the latest OS from internet. To download OS, press Command Option R and then power on. And after some time, you can see your program will be downloaded in your Mac. As you see, the program downloading already started Now wait for some time. Now program downloading has been completed. Your Mac will be turned on shortly. Now go to disk utilities and click continue. You can see the total disk. You can see the total disk capacity is 512 GB. Now click erase and put your name, as I have already selected my name. And after erasing is completed, now go back, then select reinstalled Mac OS and then click continue. Here is the main screen of installing OS. Now click continue and wait for a few seconds. This is the terms and condition page. Click agree and select your internal hard disk and then select installed. Now your actual OS downloading start. It's take about 1 to 2 hours, depends on your internet speed. Now the installing process has been completed and you can customize your Mac. Select next. Now connect your internet. If you want, put your internet password. Select next. Data and privacy agreed. Now I will skip this step. Next. Now agreed the terms and condition. Agreed. Put your computer name. Now click agreed and let it continue. You can set up your Siri option, otherwise you can also skip this option. And next agreed, continue, and now choose your theme looks. I will select it auto. Next, setting up your Mac. Wait for a few seconds. Now it's completed. Congratulations. Now your new MacBook setup has been completed. You can check the internal storage. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel YouTube or click the bell icon. Thank you very much.